The Wybot S2 Solar has finally arrived. I'm gonna unbox it for you. I'm gonna use it for a week or two. I'm gonna come back later and demo it and give you my full review. I could not be more excited about this. Super pumped. Quick start guide in good English and with good pictures. Packaging looks great. Got the cord, retrieval hook, also some adhesive foam in case it doesn't float quite right. More user manuals, and yeah, all the warranty information is all in there. And then this is the piece. Now, I have done the Wybot C1 before and we loved it. It scrubbed, it cleaned, it was fantastic. But this is its big brother. I'm so excited about this. Here we go. Wow, look at you, it's so sturdy. Could do some curls here. All right, look at that. That's beautiful. Man, love it. Okay, so put that right there. You'll be in there in no time, don't you worry. All right, that's everything in this box. And this is the solar kit. Extra packaging, which is good since this is solar. Woo, look at this. Wow. Man. So cool. All right, I'll figure all this out. But we've got solar. That'll go underneath the water. Excellent. Okay. I've got some work to do, putting it together. I'll use it for a week or two, and I'll come back and give you my full review. Okay, it has redocked. When it gets to 20%, it will just dock itself back onto the power station. So we will check out the pool and see how it did, and then we'll grab it and throw it in the hot tub because it does still have 20% left on its battery. So there you go, you can tell it is back on the station and it is charging. Let's grab it, throw it in the hot tub. But before we do, let's look at the canister and see how much that it actually picked up. This is a clean pool, but it's amazing how much you don't really ever see. So let's bring this right here to the edge and let's see what we got. Okay, wow. Oh my goodness, that's more than I thought. Oh my goodness, look at that. Frog, some hair, some leaves. And this is all the stuff that's fallen off the trees into the late spring. Wow, that really was quite a bit more than I expected. All right, he's done. Let's see what he got from the hot tub. This is just from the hot tub. Quite a bit of sand. Always more than you think. A couple worms, snail, 3 worms, sand. Yeah, I love this thing. So good. All right, I'm gonna throw this back in the unit. I'm gonna place it back on the charger. Really simple.